Hello everyone. Again welcome to social study class of second. Today I am going to teach you a chapter 2. Topic is celebrating festivals. What is the today's topic? Today's topic is celebrating festival. So do you know festival? What is in a festival? I'll tell you about festival, how to celebrate festival, okay? Festivals give joy, happiness, and it gives color to our life. Festival bring happiness, joy, and color to our life. How? Okay, I'll give example. Do you know na Diwali? Diwali is festival. It is a festival of light. We burn light. As you all know that we celebrate Diwali very well. So, today I am going to teach you how to celebrate festival. Which festival celebrate on which time and how and where. These all today I am going to explain you, okay? Different type of festivals celebrate in different places of our country India. I'll explain you which festival celebrate in where and how. Okay? So today we are going to study about celebrating festivals. So move towards content, okay? So our today's contents are festivals. So festivals is a event celebrated by a community. It is a events. Festival is a events, okay? It's celebrated by community. Community means group of a people. Okay? So festivals, religious festivals. So what is in a religious festivals? Different communities organize different festival. We have so many communities. So different communities organize different festival is a that is religious festival. And another one is national festival. I'll explain you later about religious and festivals also, okay? National festival. National festival is a festival, it's organized by whole nation. All hard words and their meanings. Hard words and their meaning. So now I'll request you to please take out notebooks, copy, pencil, all, and please write down these meanings also. This is most important. These all meanings are related with our topic, today's topic, celebrating festivals. So listen carefully, okay? First one is communities. Communities. I already told you it is a different group of people. Different group of people. Okay? Second is decorate. Decorate means make look more attractive by adding extra items. Do you know what is in a decorate? In Diwali we decorate our home. In Christmas also we decorate our home. We clean our home. We wear new clothes. Make look more attractive by adding extra item. It is a decorate. Okay. Another one is visit. So what is a visit? Means go to see and spend time with someone. Visit means go to see and spend time with someone. Okay. Fasting. Fasting. What's in a fasting? Fasting. To not eat food. To stay without eating food is a fasting. Okay. So freedom. What is mean freedom? Freedom means free from disturbance. What is freedom? Freedom means free from disturbance. Okay. And hoist means rise. Hoist means rise. We hoist our national flag on Independence Day, Republic Day. We rise our national flag. So another one is constitution. Constitution. So what is in a constitution? Rule book for running a country. A constitution is a rule book for running a country. We have also constitution, which is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. So another one is republic. What is republic? Republic, a country where people choose their leader. What is republic? A country where people choose their leader is a republic. Okay. So another one is parade. Parade is a group of people marching ceremony or walk also. In 15th August, you are also participate in parade, na? You all. Okay. Coming Independence Day, we will teach you, okay? How to walk in parade, okay? So these all are hard words and their meanings. I hope you listen carefully and copy also. So let's move forward towards subtopic. Okay. So our today's first subtopic is festival. Okay. Today's first subtopic is festival. So listen carefully. Festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. Festival is a gathering of people, togetherness, to celebrate something. If if we are going to organize something at that time, only we people gather in one place. No, otherwise we stay in our own house. So festival brings happiness, joy and colors to our life. Okay. India is a land of many festivals. As you all know that India is a land of many festivals. We celebrate these festivals with our family and friends. Yes, we celebrate with this festival with our family, relatives, friends, cousin, all. Okay? So festival give a sense of enjoyment. Festival give us sense of enjoyment. It gives us happiness, relaxation and offer the time needed to bond with family member, and offer the time needed to bond with family member. If we spend our time, if we spend more time with our family member, our family relationship bond will be strong. So festival is a such things. Cause of festivals also people come together. Listen, festival give a sense of enjoyment. We enjoy relaxations and offer the time needed to bond with family member. Sure, listen carefully. Festival is gathering of people to celebrate something. If we are going to celebrate Holi, look at the picture. If we are going to celebrate Holi, at that time we are play alone? No. We play Holi with our friends, with and family also. We don't want to play Holi alone. It did not give happiness and joy. But if we are play with friends, families, it gives more happy to us. So, India is a land of many festivals. India is a land of many festivals. We celebrate different festivals here. Like Diwali, Durga Puja, Janmashtami, Eid, all, Guru Purav. So, festival give a sense of enjoyment, relaxations and offer the time needed to bond with family member. I already told you, if we spend more time to our family member, then our relationship bond will be strong. Okay? So our next subtopic is religious festival. What? Religious festival. So you know festivals and how it's enjoyment, how it's give enjoyment also. Religious. We have different communities in our country, India. So we have different religious, Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, Christian, Sikh, all different religious, different community live. We live in our country. We celebrate different festivals in different time. Okay, so India is a land of many religions. As you all know that there are so many religions in our country. So we have many religious festivals that are celebrated with joy across the country. We have many religious festivals that are celebrated with happiness, enjoyment, relaxation, joy across the country. Okay, so different festivals are celebrated by different communities. Different festivals. We have so many festivals. So different festivals are celebrated by different communities. There are many communities in our country. These festivals are called religious festival. What? Listen carefully. Different festivals are celebrated by different people, different communities. So these festivals are called religious festival. Okay? Few of them are Christmas, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purav and many more. These all are religious festivals. What I said? Christmas, Eid, Guru Purav, Diwali, these all are religious festivals. It brings happiness, it brings joy, and it brings color to our life. Okay? So, now we are going to study about religious festivals like Christmas, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, all. Okay? So, our another subtopic is Christmas. What is Christmas? So, it comes under religious festival. Okay? Christmas is celebrated by Christmas is celebrated by Christian people because Jesus Christ was born on this day in Vietnam. Jesus Christ was born on this day. They celebrate birthday of the Jesus Christ. Look at the picture. This is a Christmas tree. Have you seen before? Why not you see Christmas tree on Christmas day on school also? So, Christmas is celebrated by Christian because Jesus Christ was born on this day in Vietnam. It is the name of a place. Okay. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. When Christmas is celebrated? When Christmas is celebrated, it celebrates on 25th December. So, in this day, we decorate the Christmas tree like this. Look at the picture. We wear new clothes and visit the church on this day. Have you seen church? And in Christmas day, you can go to church. Okay? So listen carefully. Christmas. We celebrate Christmas on birthday of the Jesus Christ. In Christian, the people of Christian, they pray goddess is Jesus Christ. Okay? Christmas is celebrated by Christian people because Jesus Christ was born on this day in Vietnam. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, understood? When Christmas Day is celebrated? It's celebrated on 25th December. Okay, we decorate the Christmas tree like other festivals. We decorate Christmas tree, we decorate home, we wear new clothes and visit to church to worship Jesus Christ. Okay? So, understood when Christmas is celebrated and how? Okay. So, another religious festival is Diwali. Look at the picture. You can understand by this diagram also, this picture also. You can clearly understand by this. As you all know that we are so much familiar with Diwali because it is a festival of lights. We burn diya on this day. So listen carefully, look at the image also. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of lights. We burn so many diyas, so many lights in this day. We burn cracker also. So, Diwali is the major festival in India. It's a major festival. Most of the people celebrate Diwali. Okay? So it is celebrated on the new moon night. New whole moon night. Sometime it is in the month of October and November. Diwali comes under October and November months. Okay. So in this day we clean and decorate our house in this day. Okay. We clean our house on Diwali. We decorate our house in Diwali and we wear new clothes. And we pray to goddesses Lakshmi. You know Lakshmi? She is a female god. Okay? We pray in Diwali. Whose? Lakshmi. We pray to goddesses Lakshmi in Diwali. So listen carefully. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the major festival in India. Most of the people celebrate Diwali in India. It is celebrated on new moon nights. Sometimes it is on the month of October and November. We clean and decorate our homes in this day. We pray to goddesses Lakshmi. Okay? Clear? So, understood? This is all about Diwali, how we celebrate and when. When we celebrate on the month of October and November. Okay? Clear? So, this is all about Diwali. Move towards another subtopic. Okay? So, our another one is Eid. E-I-D, Eid. It comes also under religious festivals. Okay. So Eid also called the festivals of breaking fast. Festivals of breaking fast. Fasting, you know fasting, I already told you meaning of fasting. To not eat food. It is a fasting. Eid is a festivals to break fast. Okay. Eid is an important festival of Muslim communities. Eid is a important festival of Muslim in the month of Ramadan. So what is mean Ramadan? Ramadan is the name of the month. Ramadan is the name of the months. So do you know months? What is in a month? Okay, listen. How many months are there in 1 year? 12 months. What are they? Just before we study about Diwali also, at that time we celebrate Diwali on October and November. This is also months. So how many months are there? 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These all are 12 months. Okay? So, Ramadan is the name of the months in a 12 months of the Muslim is considered very holy months. Very holy, it's important for them. Okay. So we wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. Like other festival, in this Eid also we wear new clothes and at that day we visit mosque for pray to Allah. Okay. So we eat sweets like Sivian and kheer on this day. Do you know? Have you eaten? Kheer and Sivian. These are the sweets the Muslim peoples celebrate when they are eat. Okay. Listen carefully, I'll recall once. Eid also called the festivals of breaking fast, as you all know that fasting is to not eat food. Okay. Eid is an important festival of Muslim in the month of Ramayan. Look at the picture also. Because of image also you can understood. Okay. Ramadan is the name of the month in the 12th month of Muslim and is considered very holy. Okay. We wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. To pray God. Okay. We eat sweets like Sivian and Kheer on this day. Okay. So, clear about Eid also? So, let's move to our another subtopic. Okay. Look at the picture. You can understand by the picture also. What is this? From which community they are? They are Sikh. So now we are going to study about Guru Purab. So what is in a Guru Purab? We called Guru Nanak Jayanti also. What? Guru Nanak Jayanti. Okay. So listen carefully. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated with reverence and joy by the people of Sikh community everywhere. Like other festivals, Guru Purab also bring joy, happiness, enjoyment every year. Okay? So, Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated to mark the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Just before we study about Christmas also, in Christmas we celebrate birthday of Jesus Christ. Like this here in Guru Purab, we celebrate birthday of Guru Nanak Ji. Okay, listen carefully. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated to mark the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay, clear? A Guru is a teacher. Who is Guru? Guru is a teacher. You know teacher very well, na? A Guru Purab Sikhs wear new clothes and go to Gurudwaras to pray God, Guru Nanak Ji. On this day, on this Guru Purab day, like other festivals, people wear new clothes and they visit Gurudwaras to worship Guru Nanak Ji. Okay, listen carefully, I'll repeat once. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated with the reverence and joy by the people of Sikh community every year. Guru Purab celebrated by the community of Sikh people. It brings joy, happiness every year. Okay? Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated to mark of the birthday of Guru Nanak Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay? A Guru is a teacher. I already told Guru is a teacher. So, on Guru Purab, Sikhs wear new clothes and go to Gurudwara. They wear new clothes and they went for Gurudwaras to pray. Okay, so this is all about Guru Purab. Look at the picture. Because of picture also you can understand clearly. Here is a picture of Golden Temple. Do you know Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. Okay. Okay, so let's move to our another subtopic. Okay. So, Our another subtopic is national festivals. What? National festivals. Festivals, you are now familiar with this word. So what is a national? We already studied in our first chapter, national means related towards nations, and festival it is a what? Festivals means group of a people gathering and celebrate festivals like Holi, Diwali. What we studied just before? Eid, Guru Purav, all. Okay. So national festivals. National festival is one that celebrated everywhere within the nation. National festival is celebrated by all the people of the country. Every people of the country, everywhere. It's not a religious festival. It is national festival, that means related to our nation. So everyone should respect to our nation. So national festival is one that is celebrated everywhere within a nation. Within nation. Okay. People celebrate national festival to spread the message of freedom, peace and harmony across the nation. So people celebrate national festival to spread the message of freedom, because our country is free from disturbance, peace and harmony across the nation. So why we celebrate national festival? Understood? To spread the message of freedom, peace and harmony across the country. There are some festivals that are celebrated by all the people in India. These are called national festival. What is national festival? There are some festivals that are celebrated by all the people of India. All the people of country, all. And these are called national festival. The people of India, in everywhere, in every place, they celebrate national festivals. Everyone. Okay. The national festival of India are, listen carefully. The national festival of India are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. What are the national festivals of India? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals. I'll explain you about this also, okay? So, listen carefully, I'll repeat once. National festival is one that is celebrated everywhere within the nation. People celebrate national festival to spread the message of freedom, peace and harmony across the nation. Okay? So these are some festivals that are celebrated by all the people of India. These are called the national festival. Listen carefully. There are some festivals which are celebrated by all the people of India. These are called national festival. Okay, what is national festivals? How we celebrate and why we celebrate. How we celebrate, I'll explain you, and why celebrate. Clear? The national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. I'll explain you about this. Okay. So our another subtopic is Independence Day. Independence Day. So look at the picture. How we celebrate Independence Day, do you know? We celebrate Independence Day in school. We know very well about Independence Day, how we participate, how we interact. So, when do we celebrate it? Means, when do we celebrate Independence Day? Anyone know when we celebrate Independence Day? In the month of August. When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August everywhere within a country. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Understood? So another is, why do we celebrate it? Means, why do we celebrate Independence Day? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Independence means to become free. We celebrate this day because India got freedom from the British on the day of 1947. Okay, we celebrate Independence Day because in this day India got freedom from the British in 1947. Clear? How do we celebrate it? How? When do we celebrate? Understood? Why? Understood? But how? We celebrate Independence Day. Listen carefully. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag. That means rise. In this day our national flag rise at the Red Fort in New Delhi. At the Red Fort in New Delhi, everyone sing a national anthem. Do you know national anthem? National anthem we know. We sing national anthem on assembly, on school, every day. Jana Gana Mana. We know na Jana Gana Mana? This is our national anthem, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. So listen carefully, I'll explain you again. When do we celebrate it? When do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. Okay. So why do we celebrate? Because India got freedom from the British on this day 1947. Note down this, okay? So another one, how do we celebrate Independence Day? The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in the New Delhi, and everyone salute the national flag and everyone sing the national anthem. Clear? So I know you all are familiar little bit with this Independence Day because we organize Independence Day every year in our school. Okay. So this is all about Independence Day. So hope you are clear. Move to our another subtopic. Okay. So another one is Republic Day. Look at the picture, okay? You can also understand by the picture also. So Republic Day. Republic. The people of India choose their leader. So when do we celebrate it? When do we celebrate Republic Day? When? We celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January everywhere. Like just before we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August everywhere, every person's of country, just like that, Republic Day is also comes under the national festivals. So we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January everywhere, every people of our country. So why do we celebrate Republic Day? Why do we celebrate it? Why it's important to celebrate? India become a republic in this day. India become a republic. We celebrate it because the Constitution of India has adopted on 26 January 1950. The Constitution, what is a Constitution? It is a book to rule the whole country. Okay. Celebrate it because the Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1950. The Constitutions, Indian Constitution is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, and the Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1950. That's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January everywhere. Okay, so why it's important to celebrate everywhere? Republic Day comes national festivals. National festivals means related to our nation. So we should respect every persons to our nation. Okay. So another is, how do we celebrate Republic Day? How? We celebrate on 26 January because the Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1950. So how we celebrate Republic Day? Listen carefully and look at the picture also. The Republic Day parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. Parade. You know parade? In the Republic Day, parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. So our another subtopic is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Look at the picture. Who is he? Gandhi Jayanti. How do we celebrate? When do we celebrate? And why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Gandhi means it is the name of a person. Okay. So why we study about Gandhi? Who is Gandhi? When do we celebrate it? When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October everywhere. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October everywhere. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? It is the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Clear? Gandhi means he was a freedom fighter, great freedom fighter. His real name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, but we say Gandhi also, Gandhi ji. Okay, he was a great freedom fighter. We celebrate 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti everywhere because in this day it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, it is the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Gandhiji helped India to get freedom from the British rule. Gandhiji helped India to get freedom, free from disturbance from British rule. Before independence, our country will rule by, yes, it was ruled by Britishers. But Mahatma Gandhi helped India to get freedom from Britishers. And he is also known as father of nation. Father of nation. Okay, who is our father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so how do we celebrate it? How do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? A leader of our country visit Rajghat in Delhi. They offer flowers and prayer at a samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. They offer flower and prayer the samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, listen carefully. I'll explain. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October everywhere. We celebrate Republic Day. We celebrate Independence Day. Like this, Gandhi Jayanti also celebrate on 2nd October everywhere. It's come into national festival. Okay. Why do we celebrate it? Because it is the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Gandhiji's help India to get freedom from the Britishers. He is also known as father of nations. He was a great freedom fighter. Okay, how do we celebrate it? How do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? A leader of our country visit Rajghat. Leader means Prime Minister, President, all. They visit Rajghat and they offer the flower and prayers at the Samadhi. Samadhi, do you know Samadhi? Of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was no more. So this is all about Gandhi Jayanti. Also it comes into national festivals. Let's move towards another subtopic. Okay? So another subtopic is celebrations at school. Celebrations at school. So can you tell me what we celebrate in our school? What type of program we are celebrating in our school? It is clear that we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Janmashtami, Christmas. So many festivals we are celebrate. But the main thing we should celebrate is national festivals. Every year we celebrate national festivals. Every students of our school. So listen carefully. Look at the picture also. Here the children are celebrate national festivals. We celebrate the national festivals in school. We celebrate our national festival in school. Students take parts in celebration. Students take parts. Students are participate in singing, they are participate in dancing, they are participate in speech and all. They all are participating this celebration. So principals, teachers and other guests attend the program. Your parents will also attend our program. They are our guest. And our teacher and our respected students and our respected principal all are attend school. The principal hoists the national flag. Have you seen? Our principal hoists the national flag. Why not? Our principal rise our national flag. Okay? So we sing the national anthem and salute our national flag. We sing the national anthem and salute our national flag. So why we when we hear our national song, at that time we stand in attention positions, we stand up. Why? Because national Jana Gana Mana, when we listen Jana Gana Mana, we should give respect to our nation. It is our national anthem. So we should salute to our national flag. Okay? So celebrations at school, listen carefully. We celebrate the national festival in school. Students take part in celebrations. Every student take part in celebrations. Principals, teachers and other guests are attend program. The principal hosts the national flag. We sing the national anthem and salute our national flag. Okay? Clear? Okay. So, we finish our today's class. Let's move to our activity. Okay? It's too easy. Listen carefully and copy this to all. Okay? So, write R for religious festivals and N for national festivals. What? R for religious festival. So, you are clear with religious and national festivals. Okay? And write R for religious festivals and write N for national festivals. Number 1, Diwali. Diwali is a religious or national festival? Yes, Diwali is religious festival. Okay. Second number, Independence Day. Independence Day. It is national festival or religious festival? The Independence Day is national festival because Independence Day celebrated by every persons of our country in everywhere. Okay. So third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Just before we study about this Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, it is a national festival because Gandhi Jayanti, in this day we celebrate the birthday of our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and the one is Eid. What is in my Eid? It is also festival. Which festival? Religious or national? Eid. Eid is a religious festival. Okay. Another one is Republic Day. Republic Day. It is a national or religious festival. Republic Day celebrate on all under country. Republic Day celebrated by all the people of our country, within our country, everywhere on 26 January. So it comes into national festivals because it will celebrate by all the people of India. Okay, so Republic Day is a national festival. So Christmas, we celebrate Christmas on the birthday of Jesus Christ. This is a religious festival. Okay, so another one is Guru Purab. As we all know that Guru Purab is a religious festivals. Yes, very well. These all questions are too easy. So let's move to another activity. Okay.